Samosa and the kebab. Please, if you ever in Ahmedabad, just pay a visit to them. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. Andiamo, let's go for more. Bye. This is crazy. I mean, look. It's full of people selling clothes. Oh, look at the cakes. Andiamo. Hello. What we have here?
चिकन मसाला
Chicken masala. ये क्या है?
ये पाया
Oh, paella. Goat leg. Okay. Manchurian. Chicken Manchurian. Here.
फ्लावर
Green chicken. White chicken.
ड्राई फ्रूट
All right. That's interesting. Oh, look at the hot grill full of chicken fry. Oh, that's marinated